Okay, I am live. Hello, everyone. Good evening. It's 8:15 here in Alberta, Canada. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Kahit saan ka man ngayon nanonood, thank you so much for watching my live or watching the replay. I'll be, uh, it's just a short live for tonight. I'm not always uh, going live, and sometimes live happens. So, kumbaga, hindi ka ready to show on social media. So, by the way, this is Amy Chrysler, and I'm a working wife in a senior home. And at the same time, I'm running this online business on the side as of now. So, as I mentioned, today gusto ko lang i-share ng konti about my journey. Hindi para magpa-impress, just to be real and to connect. So, uh, here I'm working casual in the senior home, and and like many people, we balance work responsibilities and yung desire to build a better future. For me, my life here is so simple. I don't have a kids, but I have a family back home in the Philippines. So, but deep inside, I've been here for more than 8 years, kind of. But I always wanted more time, more freedom, and more peace. We moved to Canada kasi gusto natin matulungan yung ang family natin. And then, but we realize some of us, if you can relate, uh, to support family back home, we working two to three jobs. When I moved here, pagpunta ko dito, hindi po ako nag-work ng 2 to 3 jobs. And one time, I've been go back to school, and after that, it's hard to find a job in my career. But instead of giving up, I experienced during tax season, I helping for tax and working in the senior home. That's my first time working two jobs. Senior home because I'm casual there, and then working in the tax season. But this year I did not do that because it's so hard to handle that responsibilities, and I don't want to um, yung paghirapan yung sarili ko kasi I love to sleep. I love to sleep. I love sleeping 8 hours night, and I love myself. Even I love my family. We need to love ourselves first too, right? So that later on we can help them. So and that's what led me to explore something online. And to be honest, hindi talaga siya naging madali. I was unsure, scared to try something new, and wala akong experience sa online business. May mga doubts din ako, like, can I really do this? Because I'm a private person. Um, para ba talaga to sa akin? And maybe some of you feel the same way too. So when I found this opportunity, hindi ako agad nag-join. It took me a month because wala akong trabaho, and I want to help my husband. So what I did is nag-observe muna ako, nag-aral at nag-research, and iniintindi ko talaga siya, like research if this real business. But I saw a community with a lot of professionals and uh, regular person like a housewife or any job you're working. And when I finally started, I started small, walang big steps, just learning, posting, and showing up one day at a time. And along the way, may napansin ako, hindi lang pala siya about business. Or about money. It's really about growth. I don't want to say 100% confident. I have still that doubt in myself. As an introvert, shy introvert, it's, but it helped me to show up like I was more often, more confident kind of I'm there and I'm as willing to try something. And even going live like this, sobrang big step na for me. And at the end of the day, ito talaga yung biggest why ko. As I mentioned, my faith. It's it's nice to be bring back something to uh to God, right? That's what we wanted. Our family, my values. Gusto ko lang ng life where I can be present, magkaroon ng peace of mind, and create something meaningful. Hindi lang for income, but for better life overall. So if you're watching this and you feel pagod, stuck, or quietly wishing for something more, I just want to tell you, hindi ka nag-iisa and you don't have everything to figure out to start. If you're curious about what I'm doing or gusto mo lang maintindihan how I started, feel free to message me anytime, no pressure, just a simple conversation. And thank you so much for listening. I truly appreciate your time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be willing to start. If this message touched your heart, send me a message. I'm here to help you. And I have my website on the screen under my name, and you can visit anytime or you can reach out to me. Thanks. That's it for tonight. Thanks, everyone. Have a good night and see you next time. Bye for now.